Guys, welcome back to Tutorial Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix quickly Devil May Cry 5 crashing issue on your Windows PC and how you can fix this up. So let's get started. So firstly, what you have to do when you're having the game, imagine that you're having the game. I'm not having the game, but even if you guys are having the game, then you just have to click on the game and you just have to go to properties, and from here you just have to just follow the instructions from here, which means not here. I'm sorry, that's a mistake. What you have to do is just have to run the game as you have to run the game as administrator. You just have to right click and or else you'll be having an option called run as administrator. You can do it from here itself. So this is the first step. Just run the game as administrator and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. And even after trying this, if it's not working, the next solution is all about updating your graphic drivers. So in order to do that, you just have to click on this PC and you have to right click on this and go to properties. And from here on the left side there is an option called device manager. We have to select and you just have to navigate to this side. As you can see that the display adapters are very most important thing when it comes to gaming, which is kind of little, some games are really graphics, having a huge graphics, so you have to update the drivers. So mine is AMD Radeon RX 5700, so I just have to update the driver, set automatically for the drivers, and as you can see that I'm on the latest version, there is not an issue with this. Now I have to close this up and I have to go back to the next step, is all about update your Windows. And if you have to do that, you just have to click on start icon over there and go to settings, and now from here just have to click on update and security and make sure that you are on the latest version of Windows Update. As you can see that I'm on the latest version, so that issue is always also solved. Now I have to close this up and I have to follow the next instruction. So next instruction is all about you have to make sure that no big things are running in the background. So in order to do that, you just have to go here and click on the taskbar and go to task manager and make sure no big things are running in the background. And big things are running in the background, that is obvious, very quite obvious and common sense that we have to understand that big things are ruining your RAM as well as the performance. You just have to right click on this and click this up. As you can see that there is no big things running in the background right now. So if anything is running in the background, so you just have to right click on this and go for end task. So this is the fourth step that I would like to make you notice. And moving on to the next solution is all about you have to install the latest version of Microsoft C++. So I'll be providing a link in the description where you can download the Microsoft C++ 2015 Studio onto your PC, and you just have to install it. And sometimes because of this the issue can happen in between, so you just have to do this also. Moving on to the sixth solution is all about what I would like to make you notice is you guys that you just have to remove the temporary files from your Windows, and to do this you just have to press Windows and R key all together, which will take you to this, and here you have to type %temp %, and you just have to press OK. And now this will take you to this, and these are the temporary files which is running in the background. So what you have to do is just have to press Ctrl A and you have to go for delete option, so that all the files will be completely deleted. So I'm not going to do this up because I have to show one more video, so I'm not deleting this, but you have to delete in between, and once after deleting, most probably the issue will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.